Oh my goodness, everyone. This is just a chatty video because I gotta tell you something. I am extremely mortified, horrified that there was ad stuffing in my videos. Okay, so YouTube came out with this new setting over a year, or maybe it's not even new, maybe it's like 2 years ago, but they automatically put the ads in. So they automatically put the ads in my videos, everybody's videos. You can manually put them in, but I just let it go. I was doing some videos that they're 15 minutes long, and I'm only getting 4 minutes of people viewing my videos, and I couldn't understand this. I'm like, well, why are people not watching my videos? Why are they skipping through it? One, I'm making my videos a lot shorter, and two, I was horrified when I looked at one of my previous videos had 10 ads in it. 10 ads. Unbelievable. I'm removing now 70% of all of the ads on my YouTube channel. Here's why. You have a lot of ads on your channel and people don't watch, you don't get paid. I will be having some ads in, but they're going to be in reason. I couldn't believe it. I was just dumbfounded. I just couldn't believe it. Now, depending on where you live, depending on your region, you will see different ads. Everybody sees different ads. Everybody sees different kinds of ads. Everybody sees different amounts of ads. But to make a long story short, it's more important that I manually put them in. Here's the thing. Ads are what pays a YouTuber. But if you watch the video, the more you watch the video, the longer you watch that video, the better it is for that person. I was really struggling because I wasn't understanding why I'm making these videos and I'm not getting any payment from them because they were being stuffed with ads. People weren't watching them. They would click off and it was just too much. And so now I'm spending a couple hours going back in my videos and having to remove all of this extra fluff and stuff. But I wanted to make it, and I told my husband, I said, I think I should do a video on that. And because I want to explain to you that I didn't put them in like that. That wasn't me. I wasn't trying to be greedy. I wasn't trying to anything. I did not realize it. So I'm actually going back and removing a bunch of stuff, and I'm hoping that you will have a better viewing experience. And I thank you guys so much for that. I also thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. Through the economy, through ups and downs, through, YouTube being popular, YouTube not being as popular, being on the platform for so many years, I understand that people are busy, but that you take 10 minutes of your time to watch me. So my videos are going to be more of them, probably. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to go with that, but they are going to be shorter, but they're going to be long enough that you get a really good experience. But they're not going to be like just this mono dialogue. Also, I'm going to try to make it a little more with my editing. I'm going to make it a little more, interesting to people, not, prolonging things. And I'm really working on different editing skills. And when I was starting these new editing skills, it was like, wow. Because viewing 3 minutes in a 16-minute video, I might as well not even done the video. So I now understand why it was the way it was, and I wanted to explain it to you to let you know that it was something I was not aware of. I wish somebody would have told me, hey, you got a lot of ads in your videos, like we can't even watch you. Oh my goodness, so that is it. So with that being said, I cannot wait to see you guys again tonight. And there is no ad in this video right here. You can see there's no ad in the middle of it. And I wanted you to make sure you understood what I had to say. And while ads are extremely important, because that's the only way we get paid, you still have to have things within reason. Oh. It just pays to keep up with what's going on and not just assume that YouTube is doing everything that is the best for your channel. So I got to get working on that for all of you, and I'll see you guys again tonight. Bye.